We're here at the Chalet Front Yard Facelift winner, $25,000 to rehab this entire front yard. And we've got Eric Braun with Chalet Nursery, who is the landscape architect on this project. Eric, can you touch the highlights for us of what you're going to be doing out here and what is a blank slate, essentially?
Absolutely. Well, we're really excited about this project. What we're going to do here is we have an entire front yard facelift, and we're going to revamp this front yard. We're going to keep some of the existing nice plant material. We're also going to transplant some of it to other places in the design where it can be useful. We're going to kind of clean up a lot of these weedy plants and get them out of here. What we're really going to do is create a lot of interest along the front. We're going to create some nice curved beds that will carry your eye to a lot of the different areas of interest. We're going to have a lot of color, several different focal points throughout the front yard. We're going to take out this old stamped concrete walkway, install a beautiful clay brick and bluestone walkway that more matches the style and history of this area. Then we will also have a little planting bed anchoring the corner there, and the beds will be curved so that they will carry across the walkway and take us around to our next area of interest along the side.
And what are some challenges that you've had out here, Eric?
Several challenges. First off, the key challenge over on this side is the grading and drainage. We have a low point over here between the sidewalk and the house, and also two large downspouts that are carrying rainwater from the roof line and dispersing it into this area, which results in a lot of standing water and kind of wet, soppy conditions over here. And we're going to use this for a lot of plantings in a specialty garden area, so we want to remedy that problem. So we are installing underground drainage piping in order to take the water from those downspouts out towards the backyard, where it can disperse underground into the subsoil and out in that area in order to get it out from standing water in this area.
Tell us briefly what you're going to be planting out here and what you envision it to look like when it's all done.
Sure. We've got a lot of really great plant material, a lot of flowering shrubs, perennials, and ornamental trees. A great mix for year-round color. That's really what we want to strive for, always something going on. We'll have a beautiful paper bark maple here near the entrance, flowering lilacs, Japanese maples, some nice narrow columnar service berries in order to offset some of the height of the house itself on this side. As you can see, it's very tall and kind of blank, so we want to create some plantings with some height to kind of even out the scale of the space. And also here we'll have a nice garden walkway as well that will be a focal point in and of itself, with a rose garden on this side and a seating area with a nice trellis and climbing vine over in this area.
Thank you, Eric. We're looking forward to seeing what you're going to do out here. And more installments coming up as the project concludes.